walking Buster there, dude? Go walk Buster. Let's go walk Buster. Come on.
Other hand, Lige. Oh, okay. Other side.
Over here. He's walking.
What happened? Why don't you just run? Go run.
Science, you know, you have to... Look at you, Lige. You are a dog with... He's a pro, isn't he? Uh-oh.
Ooh.
There you go. Now here's the real job of the dog whisperer. Stay there, stay, sweetie. Let him. Yeah, you hold the ball for me.
Oh, Lige, you stay there.
You. Remember where that is.
I guess Buster's done.
Are you done, Buster?
Ooh.
Hey, don't eat the. I know you're gonna eat it.
Are you
Ready?
right?
He can't catch, but he can throw.
He can sure throw.
Hey, hey.
Left hand.
Left-handed, huh? Are you left-handed?
No.
Anybody in your family left-handed?
My cousin.
Actually, I can do both.
You're gonna have to stay out of that
Lige.
poo. Out of the poo.
That's not where it is.
So good.
Where is it?
Watch out for the poo, guys.
You throw.
You don't have a bag.
Good boy.